Hey guys, in case you haven't heard, Indian Motorcycle just released a teaser on the new 108 liquid-cooled PowerPlus engine. Now, if that name PowerPlus seems familiar, it might be because in 1916, Indian came out with a motorcycle called the PowerPlus. Their first flathead engine made only just 16 horsepower. Luckily for us, the new PowerPlus makes 122 horsepower and an astonishing 128 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'm going to jump into a few of the technical specifications and what that might mean to you, the rider. First of all, liquid cooled. It's going to alleviate a lot of that radiant heat and keep the engine cool and powerful. Secondly, valve train. It's an overhead cam design utilizing 4 valves per cylinder, and most notably, hydraulic lash adjusters, which means no more pesky valve adjustments and checks. Now, the oiling system is similar to the Thunderstroke and utilizes a dry semi-dry sump setup that has 2 pumps, one to pump oil directly into the engine and another into the drivetrain. Now what that's going to do is immediately on startup you'll have oil pressure, which is going to result in a longer lasting engine. Also, a lot of the competitors do not utilize that for the transmissions. They use what's called a splash type oiling system. Based on what Indian has said themselves, this is revolutionary, this engine, and it's going to be the most powerful V-twin made in America. Speaking of where it's made, the engines are going to be made in Osceola, Wisconsin for final assembly in the new Challenger in Spirit Lake, Iowa. As soon as we get our hands on that Challenger, we plan on doing an intense walk-around video showing you every little detail about that bike. If you like this video or want to see that walk-around, be sure to follow our Facebook pages and like this and subscribe this on YouTube. Thanks for watching.